Tameron Gulf Coast always has the best selection of pre-owned vehicles, and today we have this 2018 Certified Pre-owned GMC Sierra 1500 SLT Pickup. On the exterior, we have heated and power door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, and available four-wheel drive. On the inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and a wireless charging pad. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 GMC Sierra has less than 58,000 miles, is factory certified, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Call Tameron Gulf Coast at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.